We'll see you break down every wall. We'll watch the giants fall, for fear cannot survive when we praise you. Hey friends, this is the song We Praise You in the key of A, and it's a really simple way to chord along to it. I hope you have a lot of fun. Make sure to stop the video. If you click on the description below the video, you will find the link to the chord sheet, and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the 4 chords that are in this song. We have A, D, E, and then we have an F sharp minor, and that's it. And so let's look for that group of 3 black notes, and the A is to the kind of tucked in between them. And if you play A, then this black note here, and our E. So we have A, C sharp, E, and it kind of forms this triangle shape, okay? White, black, white, kind of that black up at the top for that tip of the triangle. If you help yourself and become familiarized with that shape, we're going to move down here to the E position, and we're going to put a thumb on E. We're going to play E, G sharp, B. Okay, see how it's the same shape? We have a triangle again. Okay, and then freeze that shape again and just move down one set of notes, and we're playing the D. So we have D, F sharp, A. Okay. All right. And then our F sharp minor is tucked between this group of 3 black notes, and it's right here. And it has these 2 black notes on the top with the white note in the middle, which is like an upside down triangle. So we have F sharp, A, C sharp. Okay. See that upside down triangle there? Okay. And I usually use fingers 1, 3, 5. You can tuck 1, 2, 5 in if that feels more comfortable for you. Totally fine. Okay, so review. That's our F sharp minor. We have our A, triangle, E, triangle, and our D. Okay, so just those 4 chords. I've kept it really simple. Okay, for left hand, we're going to keep it simple here. We're going to put thumb on A, line up these 5 fingers, and keep this hand here the whole song. Okay, so we're going to play A single note when we play A chord up here. Okay, A to A, E to E, single note down here, D to D, single note down here again, and then that F sharp minor, probably reach up that middle finger and play that F sharp minor, single note down here, F sharp, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna play and sing through verse 1 so you can hear how it sounds when we add in the vocals and the rhythm, and then I'll break down the rhythm for you. Okay, here we go. Let praise be a weapon that silences the enemy. Let praise be a weapon that conquers all anxiety. Let it rise. Let praise arise. Okay, so how these 2 hands are coming together is sort of simple. We're just bringing the 2 hands together like this. We go together, then just the right hand by itself, then together, right, together, right, together, right. It's this 1-to-2 ratio that works really well with 4/4 signature songs, which this song is. We're together, right, and that you could practice that on the A chord, just going over and over, just a nice steady marching rhythm to chord and sing along. Okay. All right. So let's go through verse 1 together. Here we go. Let praise be a weapon that silences the enemy. Okay, let's move to the D chord. Triangle again, just kind of freeze that shape from A to D. D single note down here. Let praise be a weapon that conquers all anxiety. Let it, okay, here's the A triangle. Rise. Okay, so these F sharp minor, E, D, we're going to just block chord through them. So we're just going to go quickly through them, not paying attention to that repeating together right rhythm. Okay, so we're going to go, let praise arise. Okay, you're just going to go bum, 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 F sharp minor, E, D, sort of quickly. Okay, so that's how we're going to get through the verses. They're identical. Okay, so notice patterns in your music. All right, let's jump into the chorus. If you notice lines 1, 2, and 3
are going to repeat with lines 4, 5, and 6. The exact same chord progression. We got A, D, F sharp minor, D, A, D, F sharp minor, D. So notice patterns, repetition helps take out a lot of overwhelm. Okay? All right. Here we go with that A. We'll see you break down every D chord wall. We'll watch the giants. Here's that F sharp minor, tuck in here. Fall, for fear cannot serve. D. Vibe when we praise you. Back to the A. Repeat those same 4 chords. The God of breakthroughs on our D side. Forever lift him, F sharp minor, high with all creation. D. Cry, God, we praise you. Okay. And then that little interlude there is, oh, we praise you, oh, we praise you, oh. Okay, so it's just going through that same A, F sharp minor, E, D, kind of looped back a couple times if you want to go, repeat it a little bit. And then you can loop back into the chorus if you want, or go back into a verse. There's so much flexibility and freedom when you learn how simple chording can be. So hope you have a lot of fun. I'm going to play it beginning to end. You play along with me. Play right hand only, left hand only, and then bring the 2 hands together, break it up into verses, and then just the chorus. And you could do it. Have a lot of fun. Here you go. Let praise be a weapon that silences the enemy. Let praise be a weapon that conquers all anxiety. And let it rise. Let faith arise. We sing your name in the dark and it changes everything. We sing that all we are and we claim your victory. And let it rise. Let faith arise. We'll see you break down every wall. We'll watch the giants fall, for fear cannot survive when we praise you. The God of breakthroughs on our side, forever lift him high. With all creation cry, God, we praise you. Oh, 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 we praise you. Oh, we praise you, oh. Be a weapon that silences the enemy. Let praise be a weapon that conquers all anxiety. And let it rise. Let praise arise. We sing your name in the dark and it changes everything. We sing with all we are and we claim your victory. And let it rise. Let praise arise. We'll see you break down every wall. We'll watch the giants fall, for fear cannot survive when we praise you. The God of breakthroughs on our side, forever lift you high. With all creation, God, how we praise you. Oh, oh, oh. We praise you. Oh, we praise you, oh.
We'll see you break down every wall. We'll watch the giants fall, for fear cannot survive when we praise you. The God of breakthroughs on our side, forever